may I invite you, please, on stage? And we are all very curious. This is the clicker to next. And there need to be a microphone. Fantastic. Yellow color brings luck.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, hi, namaste everyone. This is Angraj Swami from India. So we are running a startup called EcoRap, and basically EcoRap is into waste management. And this is the amazing team behind this idea, and we have been funded by Tata Trust. So this model is so well recognized and so well executed, and it has been it has been recognized by a lot of international and national institutes, accelerators, impact accelerators, universities. So in terms of problem statement in waste management, there are mainly three problems. Lack of waste segregation at source is very major, very big challenge. So without source segregation, you can't treat contaminated waste. So there is no technical feasibility in the stream. And if you are not treating your waste, then it's nearly impossible to bring any value chain around it or to bring any financial viability in it. So these are three major challenges. And the problem statement four is for hotels, restaurants, and cafes, and which give us an advantage or an access to adopt or to get new acquisition strategy. So in initial phase, we are acquiring hotel, restaurant, and cafes and trying to solve all top three problems of like waste segregation, technical feasibility, and financial viability. So this is the case study. I will like to explain through with the help of this. So this is the hotel which generating around 9,000 kg of waste annually, and it is like spending around 3,500 euros in penalties, fines for being not properly managing their waste. After collaborating with us, it is segregating its 85% of waste, and it doesn't need to pay any penalty fine and earning around 600 euro from us through the waste incentivization process. So this is the solution. We provide free dustbin and doorstep pickup. We provide technical interference. Then we provide training to housekeeping staff for segregation. So in this way, we incentivize hotels for segregation at source. So we also pay and collect all their waste. All their segregated waste, and we made a model which is financially viable and technically feasible. So this is the traction in last 2 years. Like we are working with around 300 plus hotels and generated around €500,000 in the revenue. And around 50 plus women are working with us in the waste upcycling sector. So after collection this waste, we sell most of the waste to the recyclers, and some part in return we generate revenue. And some part of this waste also used in upcycling process. And these are some upcycled product made out of waste. And these are women who are making all this waste product from the waste material. And these are some technical intervention, like dustbin share real-time data of waste along with precise location. Driver can track a route. Hotel can access their waste booking services. That's all about EcoRap. And thank you so much for being so patient. And
thank you, Angraj. Fantastic to see. I mean, yes, a big hand from the audience, from online, I'm sure as well. And let me just ask you one question. How can you absorb? I mean, it's a big need across the globe to deal with waste, and you're tackling this enormous important issue. And over 400 partners, clients, how do you deal? I mean, you're growing fast.
Right. So actually, like it may not be sounding a very big problem for countries like Switzerland, but India with like lot of population and limited resources, it's really a very huge problem. And every hotel, every bulk waste generator need our service desperately. So it helps us to scale fast because we don't have any challenge in customer acquisition or user acquisition. So it's really helpful.
So they come to you.
Right.
They need you. Now, may I ask the audience, do you have a question to Angraj? Anybody from around the world? Yes, please. he will be
Hi.
happy to answer. Yes, please say your name and what
My
your-
name's Mateusz. I have a question. How long the integration takes?
Like, so we started back in 2018, and
No, sorry. Like how long it takes for a, let's say, a hotel to integrate to the system?
so basically we just place 4 different kind of IoT dustbin to every hotels, and once we place our dustbins, it start working on that. So it doesn't take too much time, but initially to bring in segregation process, it takes around 15 or 20 days, because first time if they are calling you to pick up their waste, then there may not be like properly segregating their waste. You need to train them again. So for proper management or proper system service, it takes around 15 days to onboard a hotel.
So very low barrier